Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. Today we will talk about business liability insurance, meaning and overview and types. Let's start with what is business liability insurance. Business liability insurance protects the financial interest of companies and business owners in the event that they face formal lawsuits or any third party claims. Such policies cover any direct financial liabilities incurred as well as any legal defense expenses. The three main types of business liability insurance following are general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, and third one is product liability insurance. Understanding business liability insurance. Small business owners put their personal finances at risk in the event of a business related lawsuits. Partnerships and sole proprietorships are particularly vulnerable to exorbitant expenses and are consequently in the greatest need of this type of insurance coverage. Even under the structure of limited liability corporations, and owner may still be exposed to personal risk. Business liability insurance protects a company's assets and pays for legal obligations such as medical costs incurred by a customer who gets hurt or store property, as well as any on-job injuries or sustained by employees. Liability insurance also covers the cost of a company's legal defense while paying for any settlement offerings or awards the company is mandated to pay as per legal judgments leveled against them. These costs may include compensatory damages, monetary losses suffered by the injured party, and punitive damages. For example, businesses that rent the commercial real estate property in which they operate. General liability insurance protects against liability from the damage they may suffer due to fire, mold, flood, and other physical catastrophes. Lastly, business liability insurance also covers claim of false and misleading advertising, including libel and slander and copyright infringement. The cost of business liability insurance. Coverage costs are generally determined by a business perceived risk levels. A building contractor who deals with heavy equipment and dangerous machinery such as a crane and forklifts, for example, will pay more for coverage than an accountant who sits safely behind a desk. Business that fall into the lower risk category may want to consider business owner policy, which combines general liability and property insurance at a more cost effective rate. Any new or additional business liability insurance policies should contain exclusion clauses to avoid duplications of coverage from competing insurance providers, thereby minimizing cost. What is a director or officers liability insurance? Directors or officers liability insurance is business insurance that is intended to protect the directors and officers of a company. Director and officers can be sued by third parties such as their supplier and customers, or they can be sued by their employees. D&O liability insurance protects the personal assets of directors and assets in the event they are sold. What are the different types of business insurance? A business can purchase variety of insurance policies to protect it from a multitude of risks. Each type of insurance policy insures against different risks. Depending on the business, it may need a few different types of insurance. Common type of business insurance include general liability insurance. which protects against bodily harm to others, property damage, and personal injury. Commercial properties insurance, which protects against damage to the property that you have bought or rented for your business income insurance, which protects against the loss of business income. Professional liability insurance, which protects against errors that your business has made in the product, services it sells, and data breach insurance, which protects against damages caused by data breaches, cyber attacks. Is a sole proprietor personally liable for debts? Yes, a sole proprietor is personally liable for the debts of the company. A sole proprietorship is typically one individual running a business who is responsible for all debts and other issues, such as if they were sued. There is no protections against the owner's personal assets. An LLC, on other hand, separates a business from the owner so that in the event an LLC is sued or there are outstanding debts, legally the personal assets of the owners of an LLC cannot be claimed. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.